Welcome to this tutorial on how to make a website using Godaddy. In this guide we will walk you through the process of creating a website from scratch using Godaddy. Services. First you need to register a domain name for your website. Go to the Godaddy website and click on the Domain tab. Enter the name you want for your website and check if it is available. If the domain name is available, you can proceed to purchase it. Next you need to choose a hosting plan that suits your needs. Godaddy offers various hosting plans including shared hosting, virtual private server and dedicated hosting. Choose a plan that fits your budget and requirements. After purchasing your domain name and hosting plan, you need to set up your website. Godaddy offers a website builder tool that allows you to create a website without any technical knowledge. You can choose from various templates and customize your website as per your needs. To use the website builder tool, log in to your Godaddy account and click on the Website Builder tab. Choose a template and start customizing your website. You can add text, images and other media to your website. You can also add contact forms and other interactive elements to your website. Once you have created your website, you need to publish it. Click on the Publish button and your website will be live on the internet. You can then share your website with others and start attracting visitors. In addition to the website builder tool, Godaddy also offers other tools and services to help you manage and promote your website. These include search engine optimization tools and email marketing services. You can use these tools to improve your website ranking and attract more visitors to your website. In conclusion, creating a website using Godaddy is a simple and straightforward process. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create a professional-looking website without any technical knowledge. Remember to choose a suitable domain name and hosting plan and use the website builder tool to create and customize your website. With Godaddy you can create a website that meets your needs and helps you achieve your online goals.